back. We've just arrived in Port Lincoln. Well, Thursday this morning, we just arrived in Port Lincoln. So we're just at this sort of campground, $10 a night, just an honesty system. Actually really nice caretaker, Lynn. Brought us up some biscuits and some chocolates, so we'll tuck into them later, I suppose. And we're going to go down tomorrow and just explore, show you guys Port Lincoln. But awesome place. Has a sort of a Port Victor Harbour sort of feel about it. But I'll just show you around quickly. This is our view, so we can see Port Lincoln. This is just the campground there. So we're just parked up here a couple of nights. Got to get the caravan. I think we're booked in Friday to get the caravan serviced as well. So we'll get the caravan done. The dog's booked in tomorrow at 9:30. Cass's gone and booked Rain in for a haircut at 9:30 in the morning. So we've got a few things that we want to do, but we just had a little bit of a drive around to Port Lincoln just before, just to see what it was all about. So I think if we come inside, I think Cass is actually cooking. All right. What are you cooking, Cass?
Tonight we're having spag bowl. So I'm a pretty good cook, so I'm making some spag bowl.
Yep.
I'm actually pretty shocking, but anyway. And we've got some garlic bread in the oven as well, so that's looking pretty good. I think it's pretty much done.
Yeah. Nice.
But yeah, it's a really nice little park.
And we've sort of, we made a little bit extra just so we've got meals, just like meals that we can put in the freezer. Obviously on the nights, everybody knows that you don't really feel like cooking, so we'll pop them just in a pan. You ready for your haircut tomorrow, Rainy Gill? Hey? Yeah, I don't think you are. I think you're more worried about what's on the stove. So we'll show you around Port Lincoln tomorrow, see what it has to offer. Cheers.
Oh, they're so fluffy. Hey guys, so we're just at the Coffin Bay National Park at the moment. It's starting to rain a little bit, but we've just stopped in to purchase our permit for the day. So it's I think $9 or $11. $11 for the day permit.
Yeah, $9 concession.
Yeah, $9 concession. So $11 per car for the day.
So yeah, Coffin Bay National Park. Get all your baits and stuff if you want to fish here, you can. King George whiting, but also there's emus and kangaroos and different wildlife on the beaches too, so we're going to go check them out. What beach are we heading to first, Cass? We're going to...
I think it's the Gunya.
The Gunya. Yep.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Gunya Beach. So we'll head there. There's some four-wheel drive tracks. We'll see how they are before I go on to them, but...
And then I think after that we're going to head down to Point Avoid and have a look there as well.
Yep. Awesome. All right.
Woo. Let's do it.
the Australian salmon that we caught last night, so it's lunchtime now, so Cass is trying now. We've got it on plate. It's a bit crumbly, but I've never filleted a fish before, so Cass is going to give us a taste test now and see what it tastes like.
So I've just put some lemon, salt and pepper and some chives, so let's see, let's give it a taste. It tastes like salmon, like normal salmon.
Yeah.
But not as oily. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah?
It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky I just got some more fishing, a bit more tackle, because the surf's pumping at the moment, so
yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That's outside, so that's where we caught it, and it's now on the plate, so free lunch.
So we're just at Elliston now at Walker's Rocks campground just on the beach. It's a pretty cold and miserable day outside today, so we're doing some chores and some washing. Just did a load of washing in our 3.3 kilo washing machine. Works really well. You can fit a fair bit in there and the spin cycle is really good. So yeah, we've just done that. And I think Tim's just outside hanging up some of the washing.
Yep, being domesticated. So, no, it's a beautiful place, this. So, we'll show you the facilities and that are around here. There's showers and stuff like that. So after you've been to the beach, but weather's a bit rainy today, a bit muggy. So, yeah, we're just gonna have I'm gonna cook a nice meal tonight. I'm gonna cook a shepherd's pie. And yeah, basically just do a bit of cleaning and stuff today. So just hanging out, some washing, and yeah. Okay, so just got the shepherd's pie going. So I've just got a sauce just from the local grocer. I've got some veggies, just some mince. I've whipped up some mashed potato, and then I'm just putting it in just a little 2-serving dish for myself and Cass. So just put a little sheet of lasagna on the bottom, and then I'll top it off with potato, and then yeah, you can eat it with sauce or whatever you feel. But we'll put a photo up and show you what the finished result is.